Hey YouTube, today we're going to check out the Anker Soundcore Boost, a new Bluetooth speaker from Anker. It's a great company known for cabling and charging equipment for cell phones and laptops and such, USB cables, cell phone chargers, stuff like that. The 2017 line of these Bluetooth speakers consists of the Soundcore 2, the Soundcore Boost, which is this, and the Soundcore Pro, which I also have an unboxing video of. So specifications on this guy is model number A3145, retails for $79.99, weighs 20.6 ounces. Dimensions are 8 by 2.8 by 2.7. It has a 5200 milliamp hour battery that provides 12 hours of playtime. It has two 1.75 inch 10 watt drivers for a total of 20 watts of sound coming out of this. Takes 4 to 6 hours to charge, provides IPX5 waterproof, and the frequency response is 70 hertz to 20,000 hertz or 20 kilohertz. So here's the front of the packaging. Here's the back. It's too much reflection, so let's get this plastic off and I'll show you again. Alright, so here's what we're looking at with Soundcore Boost. Here's the back. And let's check it out. Inside the box, we have an owner's manual. We have this small insert that's always provided with Anker products that says, if you're happy, leave us good reviews. If you're not happy, let us know. We can make you happy. And here is the Soundcore Boost. Open it up from its baggie. All right. Soundcore Boost right there. All right. So on the top we have buttons for power, volume down, pause play, volume up, and what they call bass up. So if you want to have more low end to your music, you turn that on. Then we have an NFC section here for easy Bluetooth pairing. Looks like the grill goes all the way around, though I believe the two 1.75 inch 10 watt drivers are forward facing. Again, this is 20 watts total. Also in the packaging, we have a little box with, should be a micro USB cable. So all you get here is the micro USB cable. So if you need the AC adapter to plug it into to charge this thing, and you don't want to just charge it slowly from a computer, then go buy an Anker AC outlet to USB charger. There you have it. This is the Soundcore Boost, model A3145, mid-range for Anker's 2017 line, and actually top of the line in the 2017 line if you want the IPX5 rating. The Soundcore Pro, that sits higher than this in the model line and retails for $100, actually is only IPX4. So IPX4 provides some splashing protection, but this IPX6 Soundcore Boost will support jets spraying from any direction. No submersion in water or nothing like that, but there you have it. I'll run through the specs again. It's 80 bucks, it's 20.6 ounces, it measures 8 by 2.8 by 2.7, so it's pretty much square from the end. 5200 milliamp hour battery, 12 hours of playtime, a couple of 1.7 inch 10 watt drivers totaling 20 watts, and IPX5 waterproofing. And its frequency response is 70 hertz on the low end up to 20,000 hertz on the high end. Thanks for watching.